You are watching another video on Technoworks YouTube channel, or maybe your first video. This video, so it goes like that. I don't use my laptop a lot, but when I pick it up, it's always discharged. After 30 minutes, when it's charged enough, Windows likes to greet me with couple of already prepared updates that I must install. Sounds familiar? Probably sounds kinda familiar, or maybe not, who knows. Last time battery must have discharged in the middle of updates. When I picked the laptop up and charged it, my Windows install was all messed up. So let's put it clear, actually. It is me. I always forget to put it on a charge after usage. What I will install on that laptop today is called Vanilla OS. It's immutable OS that could fix the issues I'm having, and it probably will. So let's start with install. What kind of accent is that? What the hell? So let's start. This is USB that I made.
No shit.
You make it with Rufus, and you get the ISO from Vanilla OS website. You basically click, you click download now, and that takes you to their GitHub page. You scroll down to assets and you click on ISO.iso file. You download it and put it into Balena Etcher, flash it to your USB. Also, it's great before you do that to check hashes with the ISO. If you know what I mean, you will probably do that. So yeah, and this is what you do. Now let's see. First we will install that system. I will video the whole process, should be pretty easy. Basically turn on your laptop and then you smash some button, I think it's F11 or 10 here. Oh, I was too late. Yeah, let's shut it down. Let's try that once again. No, I was too late. Oh my god. Now I need to delete or blur my name. I think it's F10 or Toshiba. This is Toshiba Dynabook, not Toshiba anymore. This is Satellite Pro version. Okay, we are here. And we should probably run the first one. Kingston Data Traveler. Try on or install Vanilla OS. It's timed out already. Yeah. And Vanilla OS uses GNOME, by the way. GNOME desktop environment. So you can see we are loading right now. Might speed up some things. Probably I will. Who knows how long it will take on that laptop. Of course we are running right now from USB, so it might be a little bit slow. And let me zoom in a little. I'm sorry, I will record screen is the easiest way to do that. So we will do install Vanilla OS. Language, I need to choose my own language. I will do that right now. For me it will be Slovenian. You do your own language. Let me see how loud I am. Okay. So let's see if I type in. Yeah, that's it. Go next and yeah, not US, our own layout. Region, of course not Africa. Yeah, this is my region, of course not precise, but it is correct. And SDA is probably our hard drive. Configure. We'll do entire disk. I will not do manual partitioning and do swap and all of these partitions and stuff. So entire disk is alright for me on laptop. So next, here, dev SDA will be erased, which is alright for me. The name, username. Damn, no works, just kidding. I will do my real name, but I will probably blur that out. Password. Let me type in my password. The passwords type in. And next. Language, everything, that should be alright. And install Vanilla OS. We'll see how it goes. Fast forward. So we'll reboot now, cause it asks us to do that. Reboot now. Restart. Yeah. It's restarting, press enter, remove media and then press enter. So now we will go through final installation, which will ask us a couple of things. And meanwhile, when this will be finishing, I will be talking through features of Vanilla OS and why I'm installing. Yeah, that's our username is Satellite Pro, of course. Let me type in my password. Yeah, and GNOME greets us, also Vanilla greets us with no internet connection. Let me fix that quickly. And if we press check again, that thing should not complain anymore. Yeah. So let's start. And color scheme I will go with a dark one. And here it asks us for package managers. I will choose both. And some other applications you can install. Let's do, let's see what we have here. Bottles. Now we will go with default. We can install Timeshift also. I'll skip that for now. We'll install restricted codecs. Next. Let me type in the password. And it's getting ready to install. Now let me talk about a little what's so good about that system. So Vanilla OS is AB type root, uses type AB root partition. In other words, the system partition is AB. Of course, user partition home is only one and separate. The whole partition scheme is basically similar to what Android modern uses. So if updates fail, you have working system basically. The way that works, for example, is you are currently using partition A. Updates that are ready to install will install to partition B. When updates install, you restart the system into partition B. But if there's something wrong with updates that you just installed, you always have Alt A partition before the update was done. You can always switch to pre-update partition, and all your problems should be solved. Vanilla also uses Flatpak, as we seen before, as their preferred method to install stuff. Also uses something called APX for its package manager. With APX you can install packages made for Debian, so .deb, SUSE or Fedora.rpm, also Arch. You can install also AORs. It achieves that with running all these systems in a special container, and it's really nice. You can basically install packages for Ubuntu or for Arch. It's kind of a containerized system, as I said. For now, Vanilla is still based on Ubuntu, but with next version they will switch to Debian. Probably Debian testing, I didn't check. So APX aside, the distribution itself of course has apt package manager, but since installing stuff with native apt changes system files, need to use sudo ab root exec command before running apt command. Also after that, the restart is required to switch between A and B partition. Default desktop, as we see right now, is GNOME. Would prepare KDE myself, but for a laptop I think GNOME is a very good choice. GNOME looks really portable device friendly, if you ask me. And it's not too complicated, on a small screen. When you're upscaling anyway, you don't need too much options, to choose from. So yeah, let's wait a little. Meanwhile, this thing is initializing. Yeah, it takes some time here, but it of course sets up APX, and it also installs packages that we choose before. We choose minimal, but it installs for that from FlatHub. So yeah. Once more we need to reboot. And yeah, this is the system I will be using on my laptop. We'll report back how it goes, if something goes badly, how the update goes, because they are planning to switch, as I said, to Debian. That supposedly will be an update to that system, so they will be basically probably waiting with Ubuntu a little, so packages are older, not newer. As I said, probably Debian testing, but I'm not sure, didn't check. Yeah. And yeah. Oh, Okay, right now we are just installing Debian, Debian Flatpak packages. So yeah, that before was pre-setup, and now we basically have our operating system and we are installing these additional packages from FlatHub. Yeah, so this was kind of an overview of Vanilla OS. I really like the concept with these ABRoot and APX. They have handy book on their website if you wanna look up the commands and kind of a cheat sheet. And yeah.
Hey, Marge.
We report back how it goes. And that's basically it. I will let it to install. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you in another video. Bye.